Hi, class. I'm so excited to welcome you to week 14. This is the second to last week of instruction. So after week 14, we'll have week 15, and then the last week, week 16, is where we'll be taking the final. For this week's topics, we're going to be learning about two new distributions, the chi-square distribution, spelled CH, rather than chi. So you pronounce it almost like kite. And then we'll also be looking at the F distribution. What's nice about this week's set of topics is that they'll all be done on ALEKS, so you don't have to worry about going out to another website. Also, if you look out on Top Hat for week 14, I have the information for the final exam. It turns out the final exam is not until May 18th, so it's more than 2 weeks away, but it's nice to be able to access it. Also, too, I have had students finish the topics early. And when you do that, I open up the final exam for you once you hit 151 topics. However, I do it manually, so it's not something that's automatic. So you can always send me a text and let me know. But usually every night I kind of check to see how many students have gotten the recognition of completing all 151 topics. Also want to alert you to the homework 10 that is due on Tuesday. It's going to cover week 13 topics. However, if you have 100% on all the previous homeworks, when you take this homework 10, it's going to drop it because it drops the lowest of the 10 scores so that you'll have a 90 out of 90, which is 100%. So if you've already done well on all the homeworks, you really don't have to do this last one. However, if you've missed one homework or you haven't done well on them all, it's an opportunity to raise your homework average. Again, welcome to week 14. I'm so proud of you. I'll be sending out another video talking about your results from the last exam. Take care. Bye-bye.